Hey everybody, it's 2:22 and 30 seconds now on January 22nd. This is the final mini for the Fantastic Four 48 and 49. Over here, the 30 filled spots. Rob Peak and Chris Blancato. I'm gonna vouch for you guys. I'm gonna get this run. I don't want to hold up the final mini in the main. You guys paid for your main spots, so I trust. I'll vouch for you and trust, regardless of the outcome. You guys will pay. Just going to get this done. Lucky 7 is the number. Whoever comes in first place gets the first 9. Whoever comes in second gets the next 5. Whoever comes in third gets the final spot filled in order. And then I'll immediately run the main. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's the final one. 7, Barney Stars, Pierre Albert San Diego, and Barney Stars again. Barney gets the first 9. Pierre, I'm sorry I misspelled your name. You get the next 5. Barney gets the final spot. Time is 2:23 and